Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bella and today I'm going to be filming a room tour for you guys. I'm pretty happy with how my room looks right now, so let's get right into the video. So let's start with my bed area first. My bed is right here. It's just a normal sized bed. I don't really know what size it is. But anyway, right here I have a little blanket, which is a gray super plush blanket. I think that's what they're called. And this is by Ralph Lauren. That's where I got it from. Then my bedspread right here, which is this really cool watercolor tie-dye type thing, is from Urban Outfitters. Then right here are all of my pillows and things like that. These two pillows and this one are from HomeGoods, and the two colorful ones right here are from Target. Next I have this little blanket, or it's actually not a blanket, it's a jacket from Urban Outfitters, but it's just so freaking comfy that sometimes I like to sleep with it, so that's why I keep it right by my bed. Next I have my tapestry, and my tapestry is from Urban Outfitters as well. I just think it is so pretty and it really gives some nice color to my room. And around my tapestry I have these lights hanging around it, and I just thought it would look super pretty at night when I turn them on, so I will show you guys how that looks really quick. So this is what the lights look like when they're on, and you can just imagine when it's nighttime and it's all dark out how this looks. It's just so relaxing and pretty. So moving on to my dresser. By the way, guys, I believe all of my furniture is from IKEA. It's just all plain white furniture. So my dresser just looks like this. It has 4 different shelves for me to put my stuff in. So I just keep some accessories and other crap like that up there. And then the rest is just a bunch of clothes. I keep my really nice clothes inside my closet. It's really cool on top of my desk because it's like a clear glass thingy right here where I can just put stuff inside of it. So I just have a ton of stickers, and these are all from Brandy Melville, all the little stickers. And then I also have some photo booth pictures of me and my friends in there. By my bed I always keep water, so I just have my water bottle here because I'm always drinking water, so I always like to have it close by. So now we're moving on to these little things right here. I'm not exactly what these are called. I guess bookcases they would be considered, but there's no books in them. Up here I just have some pictures, and I know the frames don't match or anything like that, but this picture is super old and it's of my grandfather, and then that's a more recent picture of me and some of my friends. Then right here I have some of my most favorite perfumes and body lotions, or my bad, body sprays that I just like to keep close by. In the next one I have a little candle, and this is from Urban Outfitters. My friend got it for me. It's in the smell coconut water and it smells so amazing. So then right here, I don't know why I thought this would be cute for decoration. I don't really have much little things to put, but in this little compartment I just have a tiny bag of seashells and then some hand sanitizer. In the next one I just have this little book holder, and this is from Starbucks. I used to hold books in here, but I don't read that much anymore, so yeah, that's why that's still there. Next I have this little candle that my brother got me for Christmas, and it's just super pretty and it smells really good, so I love it. I got this from Urban Outfitters, and it's actually supposed to be like a paper lantern where you can put a light bulb in it and it lights up, but I never got around to doing that. I actually just have it hanging up there because I think it's really pretty decoration. So then up here I have this really cool antique looking elephant thing. I don't know exactly what it is, but I got it from TJ Maxx and I thought it was super pretty. So in the compartment below that I just have a little dish where I keep a lot of my earrings or rings, and I got this from Target. Then below that I just have a jewelry box, and in here is where I keep most of my expensive jewelry. Then moving on to this little section, I just have a little sign right here that says doing nothing with you is totally funner than doing something with anyone else, and my best friend got that for me before she moved away. And then I have a little potted plant right next to it. Obviously it's fake, but how could I be a YouTuber without having some kind of greenery in my room? Next I have this little jewelry holder, and this is from Target. Down here I don't really have anything. I have these two little baskets right here, and they're both from Target, and I just kind of keep random stuff in there. I think there's a bunch of hair stuff in there, and then some extra makeup that I don't really use in there. Then this door opens to a bathroom. Next, this is probably my favorite part of my room. It's my little desk area, and this is where I film most of my YouTube videos, if you guys recognize it. But anyway, starting over here, I just have this little lights right here and this mirror. It reminds me of like those little Hollywood things when you're on a movie set or something like that, so that's basically why I did that, and it was also just really good lighting for when I do my makeup. Next, I keep my computer here just because I do online school, so this is where I do my schoolwork. Next, I have this other little mirror, and it lights up when you touch it, and I just think it's super cool. My mom got me this for Christmas. Then in this little basket right here, which is from Target, I believe, I just keep most of my favorite makeup that I use on a daily basis. Obviously not all of this, but it's my most favorite makeup. In these little purple mason jars that I got from Target, I keep my makeup brushes. Then if you go underneath here, I just keep some more of my makeup things like palettes and things like that. And then I also keep a ton of school supplies in the desk. And then I have this super fluffy chair, which is one of my most favorite things, and I got this from IKEA. So next I have this mirror right here, and I'm not sure where it's from. I got this so long ago, but it's just a plain white mirror. And then I have my closet right here, and I know that little knob doesn't match the closet, obviously. It broke off and we still haven't painted it yet. And then this is the door back to my room where you can leave, so that's it. So that is all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please subscribe because I will be posting new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And also check the description box below if you want to see where I got any of this stuff. And I'm also doing a Kylie Jenner lip kit giveaway, so yeah, just check the description box below to see what the rules are to apply for that. And I'll see you guys in my next video this Sunday, so bye guys.